Hello, Miss Gail here from the Boulder City Library. For the month of March, we have a fun craftivity. I just made that up. It's not a real word. Anywho, we have this cute little leprechaun puppet for our wee laddies and lassies to make. Hello there, hello. This cute little guy can be yours to take home and make. Call us at the library and request books and your free leprechaun puppet kit. These are also known as marionettes. You can make him wave. Bye. Come to the library, all you laddies and lassies. When you get your kit, it will not be like this. You'll get all these pieces, all separate, and some silver cord or string. And this is the little handle. The instructions will show you how to assemble it. I just wanted to point out one quick little helpful hint or tip. I used tape on the back instead of tying knots. You certainly could tie knots if you want to, but some people have trouble with that, especially on the slippery cord. If you're one of those people that are not into knots, you can simply tape it after poking the string through the correct hole, like that. Finally, I have some books to recommend for the month of March. The first one is Happy Pi Day to You. It's a book about measuring circles using pi. That's the sign for pi. And of course, that is a pie. In case you're wondering when Pi Day is, it's March 14th. And in case you're wondering why, this is why. It's because it starts with 3.14. And it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. It's a pretty big number. Can you not chew on the puppet, please? Are you trying to chew his little strings? Are you trying to free him? Be free, little puppet, be free. Okay, no, you really can't do that. No. Okay. Oh, and you cannot take off with him. He's going to be in our little picture here. As you can see, it's a very long number. We call it pi. P-I. The name is short, but the number sure is long. We also have this fun book, The Gingerbread Man and the Leprechaun, Loose at School by Laura Murray. Another good pick would be The St. Patrick's Day Shillelagh by Janet Nolan. This one is St. Patrick's Day by Anne Rockwell. Give us a call and order your books today. And don't forget to ask for your cute little leprechaun puppet kit. Bye!